Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite starters. It's baked camembert. It's a quick and easy starter that you can enjoy at home if you're having guests over or over the weekend or for a special occasion. First I have a sprig of rosemary and I've taken 1 clove of garlic and I'm simply dicing my garlic up. And you can dice it as thin or as thick as you please, and you can use as much or as little garlic as you prefer. Next, I'm going to make random incisions on the camembert. And then you can proceed to add a piece of garlic and a sprig of rosemary to every insertion. I will fast forward now. And if your camembert comes in a specific box which you can use in the oven, you can go ahead and use that. Remove the packaging first and then use that in your oven when you're baking it. Next, using a sharp knife, score your camembert. And this will allow it to bake evenly together with the rest of the ingredients that we are going to add. I'm now transferring my camembert into a baking dish. And we'll add the rest of the ingredients. First is chili flakes, just a sprinkle of chili flakes. And there's actually no need to really add salt, but I'm just adding a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, followed by some cracked black pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, and lastly some maple syrup. And once you're done, make sure your oven is preheated. We're going to pop it in for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you have some baguettes on the side or crostinis, you can pop it into the oven at the same time and it will toast up together. And for your last 5 minutes, you can even add any favorite nuts to warm up as well. And in 20 minutes, you have the most gooey, delicious baked camembert. And when you're ready to serve, you can add a little sprinkle of nuts. I'm using pecan today, followed by some pomegranate seeds. Together with the maple syrup, they just add that little sweetness. And if you're celebrating any special occasion, a lovely glass of bubbly. It can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. And it goes so well with camembert. Enjoy. This is a very simple starter, but it's so rich in flavor. I hope you do try it out for a special occasion or whenever you're having guests over. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share. And your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena.